Welcome to the Daily Insights That Matter. The UPI or Unified Payment Interface, which was introduced 6 years ago, has not only changed the country's digital payment scenario but also won international acclaim. The unique platform's adoption and user-friendliness has transformed the way Indians pay and receive money. However, until recently, this service was not accessible to non-resident Indians. The National Payment Corporation of India, or the NPCI, which is an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India, recently announced that Indians abroad can use the payments network UPI if their domestic bank accounts, such as non-resident external and non-resident ordinary accounts, are linked to their foreign mobile numbers. Now, in the first phase, 10 countries have been given the green signal for the integration. These 10 countries are Singapore, Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, Oman, Qatar, US, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the United Kingdom. Now, within the last 6 years since its launch, UPI has gained traction and momentum. Between 2021 and 2022, the volume of UPI transactions jumped by over 90% and the value by over 76%. India is the world's largest international remittance destination. Now, looking at the remittance trends, UPI is well placed to replicate the domestic success by tapping the demand for international payments. At the same time, UPI brings in several advantages like safety, faster and seamless service, low cost, reduced dependency, and lastly, simplified payments. Now, according to data from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, a total of 16,072 companies were registered with a collective paid-up capital of Rs 617.4 crores in December 2022. This is a growth of approximately 25% when compared to the November 2022 numbers. November saw a total of 12,844 new company registrations. Now, December's company registrations were second only to the numbers in May 2022 when 16,513 companies got established. Now, from a sector breakup standpoint, 26% of the companies were registered in the business services, followed by 19% registrations in the manufacturing sector. Community, personal and social services contributed to about 14% of the registrations, while the trading businesses contributed to about 12% registrations in December. Now, despite higher reporting and compliance requirements, more and more businesses are looking to follow the formal route, as this would enable them to apply for as many as 11 services, including the issuance of the PAN, TAN, and the allotment of GSTIN number while incorporating as a company. Other reasons driving the surge in the recent months is the incentives provided by the state and the central government in the form of benefits and support to the new businesses. Now, despite the fact that a lot of SMEs have closed down, entrepreneurs continue to pursue their business goals by establishing new businesses. Now, nearly 0.17 million companies were formed in 2021-2022, which is the highest ever thanks to the economic recovery post the pandemic, and this figure is anticipated to be surpassed in this fiscal year. The government's initiatives have played a crucial role to promote the domestic industry and entrepreneurship, and going forward, this will result in increased number of employment and job creation. So what does all of this news mean for you? With an estimated 18 million expats, enabling UPI for international transactions has significant advantages for the large working population and students abroad. Now, the availability of UPI in foreign soil is expected to raise transaction volumes and make India a global fintech platform. This will therefore have an indirect positive impact on you. Now, the rebound in company registrations following its decline since May indicates an increase in the positive sentiment amongst individuals to pursue entrepreneurship and contribute to the country's GDP. It's a move towards formalization of the economy, which will aid in raising the well-being of the society, improving standard of living, and will lead to long-term economic prosperity. This will also therefore have an indirect positive impact on you. While I say this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.